incoming connection. Tandy 1000 warming up. The screen glows in the dark. PC humming in a midnight room. 5 1/4 moons in a cardboard tomb. Sharpie label backup copy totally legit. Green cursor blinking like it knows I don't fit. Trial and error inventory prayers. Guess the right word or no one cares. Manannan pacing, hold your breath. Stir the potion, dodge your steps. And Cedric crying in V.G.A light. Be careful, Graham through the night. You type, open AIRLOCK. You drift alone among the stars. You type, look around, it says you are standing here. No mercy, no rewind. Just a kid trying to beat the design. Every death felt personal, every restart possible. If I could just get it right, maybe I'd win this time. Going on a space quest, typing out my loneliness. Just a simple janitor, sweeping up the mess. Look, take, smell, touch, drop, open, close, read, speak, stop. Done 1,000 times, but I didn't care. I had the universe in a folding chair. Wait, save, light, fast, slow. Eat, drink, push, pull, let's go. Sierra, I love you. I love wasting time with you.
Dial-up singing through the walls and see skulls and late night calls. Library copies of Page and Line. What's worth 3? It felt like a crime.
Quest for glory, training stats, barbarian heads in pixel dark. Starflight maps across the void, galaxies my world employed. We were kings of borrowed RAM, trading dreams on message spam. 15 minutes till mom needs the phone, but in that noise I wasn't alone. Those nights
Stretched endlessly between homework and fantasy.
I thought I'd grow into a hero, not a man afraid of zero. Going on a space quest, escaping what I couldn't confess. Just a simple janitor, cleaning up the stress. Up, low, down, low, post, reply. All death for before goodbye. Staying up till 3 a.m., wishing I could live in them. Save, load, try again.
Dreams were written in 8-bit pen.
Sierra, I love you. I love wasting time with you. Mouse replaced the type regret. Parser ghosts still haunt me yet. Gabriel standing in the rain. Cathedrals, blood, and opera pain. Laura Bow in velvet halls. One wrong move and progress stalls. King's Quest 5 in colors bright. Cedric screaming left and right. AOL glow at 2 a.m. ASL from a stranger again. Click the bridle, click the pie. Somehow time kept slipping by. No more verbs to type by hand. Still I didn't understand. The hardest puzzle I would face was growing up and leaving that place. Phantasmagoria, bleeding red, full motion nightmares in my head. Floppy disks and plastic sleeves, childhood packed in RGBs. The modem fades, the screen goes black. No more save states to go back. I type stay, it says that is not a valid command. I type grow up, it says you don't wanna do that. Look behind the screen. You see a kid who thought he'd fly and a man who wonders why. Going on a space quest, searching for what I've lost next. Just a simple janitor, sweeping up the wreck. Click, watch, fail, memories and obsolete. Dial-up ghosts won't fade away. They still call my name.
Save, load, exit, stay.
I trade tomorrow for one more day.
Sierra, I love you.
Sierra, I love you.
Sierra, I love you.
You are standing in your childhood bedroom. The monitor hums softly in the dark. Exits are forward and back. Neither leads to where you were. Roger Wilco is typing